In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an account on Ledger Live. Now, the first thing you'll need, of course, is a Ledger device. So in case you don't have your own, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you use my link, you can purchase your official Ledger as well as get some bonus Bitcoin. And you will also support my channel that way. So after you actually have your Ledger and you want to add your account on Ledger Live, you want to click on over here where it says Accounts in your Ledger Live app. And then here you want to click on Add Account at the very top right. Now here first you have to choose the crypto asset you would like to add an account for. So for me, I'm going to do SUI right now. There we go. I'm going to click on that and then I'm going to click Continue. The second thing that's going to happen is, of course, you're going to have to connect your device to your computer, so either via Bluetooth or cable. So right now, I have my Ledger in my hand, the Nano S, and currently it says processing on the screen, and then when this processing is going to basically end, it will allow me to actually name my account and then confirm it, and SUI is going to be added as one of my accounts on my Ledger. So there we go. Right now, this has processed. Okay. And then I have to open up my SUI app, so I have to press both buttons on my device. There we go, and now it's synchronizing, and there we go. It now says add new account. I can now name it whatever I want. I'm just going to leave it as default, and then you want to click on add account and click on done. And just like that, as you can see, my SUI account has been added to my Ledger Live. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.